because when I also say for women, do a good deed, women start doing it right and left, and this is not what I mean. Again, we have to know how much energy we have. And so I like to do analogy. Sorry.
Do you need it up on it?
Yes, Serena's close. Thank you. Imagine that you are a lake. And 4 rivers enter the lake. Only 4, because we think that 20 can enter a lake. And so this is you, okay? And sometimes you have a mean boss. You have let's say, angry husband or wife. And then you have a mother who constantly complains and puts you down and criticizes you. And then you have a friend who is going through divorce and she is emotional mess. And now what happens? You talk to them and this boss is constantly puts you down and tells you what to do and puts on you all of the responsibility. It enters you. Then you have a husband who is upset, who has a drinking problem or whatever problem, and he puts all of this problem on you because you are not educating him. Because one of the things that we're responsible in the relationship, not only just give love, but we're responsible in teaching our husbands how to properly treat us. We gotta educate them, because men are very simple, they're run by instincts. We are responsible for emotional part and relationship, of harmony and happiness in our relationship and marriage. And so if he is not treating you right, it's your responsibility to teach him. Put the boundaries, make a distance, and start slowly training him. Or you have a mother who constantly puts you down. You look fat, stop eating, what are you doing? You don't have a job, get married, how come you don't have kids? All of that is still putting you down. And all of that enters you. And then you have a friend, you talk to her, yeah, we're going through divorce, I don't know how to divide the kids, I don't know how to divide the house, and that also enters you. And then we think that this lake gonna be clear and have fish, but it's green, murky, has plastic, dead fish, nothing is alive because of our surroundings. And here women feel like, but it's my mother, but it's my husband, but it's my boss, how am I gonna do without work? And you gotta get the rule. If person is violating you, if it's toxic, unless you exchange them to distance mother, distance friend, definitely quit a job, train husband, you know, unless he's beating you and physically abusing you, yes, you gotta leave. But otherwise, you gotta train. And start when you eliminated that. Now there's a room to attract someone healthy. Because once it's full, you have no room for a clear river to start entering your lake. Toxicity really impacts us women. And we're guilt-driven, but it's my mother, but it's my best friend, but it's a boss, my work. I haven't been even working a year. I need my benefits. So is it benefits or is it your well-being? Do you get that? What are you hearing? Because I need your feedback. Thank you so much.
Well, I was going to mention with the mother piece, I had struggled. I did end up having to stop because of toxicity, and that was really difficult for me because society tells you, no, family first, no, that's your mother, and even just traditionally for Latin culture as well,
Yes.
it's big, family first.
Yes.
But family member, that title doesn't make them any less abusive.
Exactly.
And I think this is why we women stay in very unhealthy relationships, because then we have a training.
Yes.
Oh, but he's my family.
Yes.
So I take it.
Yes, and by the way, on the second part, we'll discuss that deeper. It's not that you separate yourself from mother and wish her death or hate her. Not at all.
I still have to, right, yes.
The more you pray, you wish her happiness.
Exactly.
And that's, by the way, how you heal the relationship. But first you need to distance. Something doesn't work, mother, friend, husband, distance. The moment you do distance, you actually committed to making it work.
And it's been beautiful. Like I've had lovely memories come up where I wish her well,
Yes.
I talk to her from afar. And
Yes.
it's so loving.
Exactly.
And it's healthy for me.
Yes, and that has integrity, because then you're not a victim. Because we in life, it's easy to be a victim. It's so easy, but because of my husband is abusive, but it's my husband, my mother, which is abusive, but she's that's a role of a victim. The moment we play a victim, forget about you having a self-esteem and living a happy life. You will have a mediocrity life. Mediocrity life where you're going to be pleasing mother, pleasing girlfriend, pleasing boss, pleasing others, but you're not going to have happiness. You're not going to have a self-esteem. Because others are more important than. That's the message you're sending. Yeah? Questions? Because I feel the energy is kind of you're thinking. Give me your feedback.
I was just thinking how eloquently and beautifully said that was, because it doesn't matter the title.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Because again, in every relationship, the moment people start distancing and requesting the distance, this is a first step towards the healing of the relationship. People usually feel like distance, abandonment, they leave me. No, it's a healing. That means something is not working. Boundaries was crossed. And we need to have boundaries. So with that,